Hey guys, it's Keith, Keith's Garage, and today, this evening, quick little job. We're putting new washer pumps in the Yukon. I got two washer pumps. One's for the rear, one's for the front windshield. Right now, the rear one works. It makes noise, but it's not spraying out anywhere. So something is up with the hose. I'm gonna see if I can figure that out real quick. But the front windshield does not work, and the wipers go, so it is getting the signal. So I'm guessing that pump's gone. Problem is the washer reservoir is totally full. So what I'm going to do is, I got this hose here. I'm going to pull the line off of one of the pumps, shove this on there, and I should have it, yep. And I'm going to take this, wash this gallon, put the other end of the hose in there, and hopefully it's only a gallon, and I won't get drenched with a whole bunch of washer fluid. So I'm going to show you where the washer fluid tank is. So to get it out, really you have to take battery out. You got to take the inside liner out. It's a big whole deal. I just need to get the pumps out. And the pumps, so I'm right here, driver's side, front bumper, going on the ground. Sun's in my eyes. Maybe I should have bought a new one. Anyway, it's right here. Oh, yep, and it's full. And it's all filthy, disgusting under here. Anyway, that's no here nor there. So there's one pump, you can see right here. The other pump should be on the other side of here, of this. Let's see. The sun's right in my eyes. Yeah. Now the pump is right there. So I think there's a wire, there's a connector on it, and then you have the hose. I'm gonna have to get a light in here. I can't see. Where are we? There's the pump right there. Where's the... Okay, so the hose is on the other side. Okay, this is gonna be messy. I can already tell. Okay, let's see what happens. Well, that didn't go as planned. I took a washer fluid bath. I spilled some of it. Try getting this hose on there. It's too small, so I got a different hose. I was able to get on there. I used the those pliers to get in there. Let me get my flashlight. I'm sure it's getting all wet. But it's draining now, so that's good. So what happened at first was I was trying to jiggle underneath there, and I pulled the whole pump out of the reservoir, and it went all over the place. Couldn't control that. Put it back in. I just had to turn it a little bit. Got the hose pulled off, and then you can see through where the fog light is. You can go up to the fog light area, and you can see where the water's coming out of the pump. So the water comes out. So this is like in there, like this, and water's coming out here. That's where it's coming out right now, into that hose. So I'm gonna let that fill for a little while, let that drain. Like I said, I put a gallon in it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check the fuses, because the fuses were gone on the radio. So let me see which one is supposed to be washer. Make sure there's a fuse there. So here's the fuses. All right. Okay, I'm gonna check the fuses and see if we're cool on there. And like, I don't know which one I'm pulling right now, which one's draining. I don't know if it's the rear or the front. I have no idea. I don't know which one's which. I didn't really get into that. But I can test the pump once I get it out. Hook it up to 12 volts and see what happens. So I'm gonna do that. Look at the fuses, make sure the fuses look good, and clean up my mess. I just have to disconnect the. I'm gonna put new grommets in there. I'm gonna disconnect you have to disconnect the connector. Take the connector off, and then anyway, still draining. It's half a gallon now. So here are the two new pumps. They look the same on this side. This is the bottom side. They both got, you know, space there. They're different on this side. They're two different connectors. Originally, I thought I would be able to just swap them out, but no. So that one's smaller. Oh, it's on an angle too, it looks like. A little more of an angle, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it was just smaller. Anyway, that's the new guys. Okay, I was having a rough time. Look at this. It's out of here. I was having a rough time getting the grommet off, getting the pump out. I did get the pump out. It was just a pain. Made in China. So I just decided to take the battery off. He's got a bunch of 10s right here. And it was this thing here. I don't know where this came from. When I loosened, oh, it looks like it was right here. Yeah, it was right there on that clip. This clip is disintegrated. I'll see if I find another one of those. Also pulled some of these off here so I can get in there. I still can't get the grommet off. So I'm trying to see if I can get this so I can just move the washer pump out of the way. So I don't know what else is holding it on. There's one here. Doesn't seem like there's one there. Oh. Huh? Let's take this one off, see what happens. Alright, I got it. There was one down there going this way. And now it's loose. I don't really need to take it out. I just need to get it loose where I can get these things out of there. Let's see, what's this? This is the hoses. Alright, let me figure out what's going on here. I didn't mean to get this sweaty and this dirty on doing washer pumps, but anyway, this is where we're at. Okay, I gotta put this. I pulled the fog light out. It was getting in my way. So this just goes. These are gonna get changed one day anyway. All right, so got the pumps back in. Push them in. I put the connectors on first. Put the connectors on first, then put the pump up there. Put the pump up and then down into the reservoir. Oh, I put new grommets. I put a little bit of grease on the grommets so they would fit right in. You got the hose right here. That connector. And then what you do is you take the top piece and you push it in. It like snaps in there. This other one over here did not snap in that well. It's still loose. So I think there's something wrong with the. Yeah, it's in. It's just loose. Yeah. See, it snapped in. Can you see it over there? Over here. All right. Let's get up in there. Right here. Come on. This guy here. It's just all loose. It's actually probably I should have bought a new bottle. I don't know how much they are, but the bottle is kind of shot. Anyway, here's that one bolt that goes right here, and it goes in right up there. So that's one. It's one of the harder ones. You don't even know it's there. And then there were Christmas trees from here into there. So I gotta get, one of them broke. So I gotta get another one there. And I can put that back up. But let's get this thing back in. There's a couple more. There's another screw over here that holds it in. Right here. Right here. Okay. And the hoses, the hoses are supposed to go into this thing. I didn't think they would fit, but they did. So that's good. I'm gonna go on the bottom, get the other one. Really the only other thing I want to do is I would like to run these pumps without the battery here in the way so I can see what's going on. Okay, we got the battery back in. All those 10 mils in there, put a new clip, battery cables, got all this wrapped up. I reused the old one here. I gotta get a bigger one. I don't have any of these big Christmas tree ones. I had one of these. That fits right there. Now we're just gonna put the washer fluid in and see if it works. Come on. There we go. I don't think I got that much dirt in here. Alright, I'm not going to pour it because I have dirt in the rest. It's not dripping, so that's good. Okay, I got the keys. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Okay, so front's working. You can see it's wet. Let's look. Ooh, that's off. Let's start it up. Didn't start it in a while. All right, where is it here? Right here. Let's see what we look like. Yeah, I think it's doing pretty good. This one's working. All right, now let's the rear. Okay, stop. The rear one's this. Let's see if the rear mirror. See the rear window. What do I do? Push it. Okay. I don't think it's working. I'm gonna shut the truck off so I can hear if the pump's going. Okay. Yeah, that works. Okay, good. All right, let's see. I go here, and I push this. Yeah, it's making noise, but I don't see any water. I'm holding it for a while. Okay, so it's got to be leaking. Maybe right there somewhere. So the line goes. The line goes here. Oh, that might no. I'm just looking to see if it's wet anywhere. Wherever it's wet. No, that's from. It's all wet over here from the front. So the line goes down. I don't know if you can see it. Is it a red wire? It's right here. Goes down into there. It's all the way down onto the frame. I don't know. I don't know if that's from the front or the rear. I'm gonna have to check a different day. But I know the two pumps are good now. I'm just gonna have to trace that line, that hose, all the way back to wherever the heck it goes, and figure out it's obviously cracked or something somewhere, or maybe it takes a while to get all the fluid all the way back there. I don't know. I'm gonna wrap this video. Really, I wanted to get the front one was the main concern, getting the front washer working, so I could check that off. Next thing is I gotta do something with the brake lights. Anyway, there's still a lot to do on this truck. I mean, it's a good truck. It's just I want to try to get it as perfect as I can, mechanically wise, and looks wise. I want different headlights and kind of stuff like that. But first off is the mechanical. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have anybody that's trying to figure out where the heck that washer reservoir is and how we get to it and how to change those pumps, I thought there was an easy way to just pop the pump out. I did get the pump out, but getting those grommets out was almost impossible while it was still mounted in there. That's why I had to take the battery out. So if you have somebody that's just trying to do it, send them this video. Maybe they could figure out how to do it. It didn't take me that long. It's just that it's all disgusting under there. Years, 300,000 miles of road grime and leaking oil and all kinds of stuff underneath there. It got me all dirty. Alrighty, you'll see me in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.